very similar to what we did in sentence 1A. You've got two positions over the A octave with the second finger on the E, and also the thumb coming down, that half step, and then this back and forth. All right, so the way we'll start is in this A position, repeating that. Thumb goes down, up, down, repeat, and then up. It's a little, the sequence is a little different than the first part. So A, repeat, down, up, down, repeat, up. For this section, we will also take that chord and turn it into a broken chord. We'll play bottom, middle, top, bottom, middle, top, bottom, middle, middle, top, bottom, middle, top, bottom, middle, top, all the way through. Up, down, repeat, up. And we'll finish with a single A here. All right. In rhythm, a little bit faster, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now where we finished, sentence 1A, was playing the start of sentence 1B with this thumb and the G sharp. So we're going to start there. All right. The right hand moves onto the middle finger and the left hand comes down to this first position. Very similar to what we did before for this first half. Here we go, hands together on the third finger with the A's coming in together. Second half, we'll come in on the A's together. Moving on to the fourth finger, we're going to repeat the fourth finger, down to the thumb, repeat, middle finger, repeat. All right. In the left hand, we'll stay in this position twice. Together, together, together again, together, and then back to your first position in the left hand, finishing with the A in the right hand. Holding that down and then finishing together. Let's do that again, very slowly. Closer to tempo, starting with sentence 1A, so you can hear how it all comes together. Back at the very beginning of our song,